What if the secret to a cleaner home isn't in your cleaning aisle, but sitting right in your kitchen? No fancy sprays, no expensive products, just simple ingredients you already use every day. Most people overlook them completely, but once you know how to use them, cleaning can become faster, easier, and surprisingly effective. Let's face it, cleaning products can get expensive. Many people end up buying different sprays for every surface, one for glass, one for grease, one for odors, and more. Before you know it, your cabinet is full and you're still not fully satisfied with the results. That's why more people are turning to simple kitchen ingredients for cleaning. These items are affordable, easy to find, and often just as effective as store-bought cleaners. Plus, they help simplify your routine. In this video, we're going to explore several kitchen ingredients that can clean almost everything. You'll learn how they work and how to use them in real-life situations around your home. Let's start with one of the most popular options, baking soda. This simple powder is one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have. It's slightly rough, which helps scrub away dirt without scratching surfaces. You can use baking soda to clean sinks, stovetops, and even stained coffee mugs. A quick sprinkle and a damp sponge can lift grease and stains in seconds. It also helps remove odors, which makes it perfect for trash cans and refrigerators. Next up is vinegar. White vinegar is known for its ability to break down grease and mineral buildup. It's especially useful in kitchens and bathrooms where water spots and residue are common. For example, you can spray vinegar on faucets or glass surfaces to remove buildup and leave a clean shine. Mixing vinegar with water creates a simple all-purpose cleaner that works on many surfaces. Now let's talk about something many people forget: odors. Kitchen smells can build up quickly, especially in trash cans and drains. Baking soda works great here too. Sprinkling it in the bottom of a trash can or pouring it down a drain can help absorb and reduce unpleasant smells. Another simple trick is using hot water with lemon or vinegar to refresh your sink and drain. It helps break down buildup and keeps things smelling clean. Let's also mention something important: consistency. These ingredients work best when used regularly. Cleaning small messes early prevents them from turning into bigger problems later. For example, wiping down surfaces daily with a simple vinegar solution can keep grease and dirt from building up. This makes deep cleaning much easier when you actually need it. Using kitchen ingredients also helps reduce the number of products you need. Instead of switching between multiple cleaners, you can rely on just a few simple items. This not only saves money, but saves time. Fewer products mean fewer decisions and a faster cleaning routine. Another benefit is that these ingredients are easy to use. You don't need complicated instructions or special tools. Most of the time, it's as simple as mixing, applying, and wiping. Many people also feel more comfortable using these ingredients around food preparation areas. Since they're commonly used in cooking, they feel more familiar and less harsh. All of these small advantages add up. Over time, they can make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a simple habit. But here's the most powerful part that many people miss. The real magic isn't just the ingredients, it's how they work together. When you combine baking soda for scrubbing, vinegar for breaking down buildup, lemon for freshness, and salt for tough spots, you create a complete cleaning system using just a few items. That means you don't need a shelf full of products to get great results. You just need to know how to use what you already have. This is why so many people who switch to these simple methods never go back. Cleaning becomes easier, cheaper, and much more manageable. Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simple kitchen ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and salt can handle many everyday cleaning tasks. They help remove stains, cut through grease, and keep your home smelling fresh, all without needing a long list of products. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home ideas that actually work. We share practical tips to make everyday life easier. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which kitchen ingredient do you use most often for cleaning your home? Let us know in the comments below.